Okay, we're playing Chicken Farm. What is this game all about? Chicken. We got a basic chicken. What is this, bro? It's one of those games. $55. $55. King Samrat GD reference. This game is onto something. This game has to be on something. Can I merge it? No. More eggs. More eggs. We need 3 chickens. We have $1. We need 8 eggs. I'm just gonna spawn camp. I'm spawn camping tilted towers, bro. Wait, oh, I already have enough eggs. Let me deposit all my eggs. Come on. I already know what's gonna. I already know what it's gonna tell me. Get 2 chickens and merge it. Oh my gosh, I knew it. How predictable. That's very predictable. Let's deposit egg. Let's deposit our eggs. Type of eggs are these. These are some weird eggs. Okay, this is a steer. Get 3. Then you could just get this OP guy, bro. What a steer. Yeah, this is low-key boring. No. Oh yeah, Bendy. Cause we're playing Bendy. Cause we're playing Bendy. Cause we're playing Bendy. Cause we're playing Bendy. You wait, I need to juke this guy, bro. I need to juke this guy. Yo, time stop. This is a 1v1, bro. Yeah, bro. Boom. I got rockets, you don't. Oh my gosh. Give me something. Kame. Dude, they did a massive update. They didn't have these. It's a way simpler. It's a way simpler thing. Why are you doing the Magicama dance? Why are you doing that dance? I hate that dance. You'll just die. Just explode. Yeah. And you're dead. In my domain. What was this? Is this sword and cheese? No, I need my real cheese. I need my real cheese. Why is the whole catalog avatar in Bendy? Well, let's just troll every single person in this lobby. Wait, that was uncanny. Oh my gosh, not even that can work. Not even that big crucifix can work, bro. What? What? What is happening? I just got launched to the moon, bro. Bro, I should have been in the Forelands, bro. I traveled at least 10 million blocks. Okay. I need the uncanny hammer. It's just so OP. It's low-key just OP, bro. What? He stole my hammer. He stole my hammer. He stole my hammer. Nah, 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 nah. Yo, 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 yo. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I need to fly. I need to fly. No, no, no. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Hammer versus hammer, bro. Hammer versus hammer. Come on, come on. I need it. I need it. Come on, come on. I need more heal potions. Yo! It's the epic 1v1, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I need one. I need one. I got the most OP combo in my mind. Do I have to sacrifice myself? Come on. Come on. Come on. Bendy. Bendy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I need to kill this guy. This guy has so much power, including me. This guy. And he has some time stop gun. That's OP, bro. Oh my gosh. I need bodyguards. Bodyguards. Body. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. He's getting heal potions. No, 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 no. You getting stunned. You getting stunned. I need heal. I need heal. I need heal. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I need to trap him. I need to trap him. That's what I need to do. I need to trap him, bro. Boom, 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 boom. What? What? He can shoot in the air. He can shoot in the. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Come on! No! 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 Oh my gosh! Stop! Yeah. In my domain, you can't get me. Can't get me, bro. He's already at full HP. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I'm dodging like Mecha Chameleon. No! 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 Let me out! 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 It's the battle of the century, bro. It's Loki, the battle of the century. He has too much power, bro. He's too powerful. What can stop him, or possibly yeah. Can I do? Okay, no, like actually, can you please stop? Okay. What is this? Is that a fish gun? Wait. No. No, 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 no. No, yeah, yeah, get, yeah! Yeah. Oh my gosh, he's stuck, he's stuck, he's stuck, he's stuck. Yo, he knows, he knows, he knows, he knows. No, let me do KB! Let me use KB, let me use KB domation. Yeah, KB domain, bro. Go KB domain. KB the domain. How does he know where I am? This guy got cheats, bro. Mods, ban him. Oh gosh. I need to heal. Why is distracted? Why is distracted? I need to put down turrets. Turrets, yeah. Turrets. Yeah, turretas. Come on, come on. Turretas. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, I need stronger weapons. I need stronger weapons. Yeah. Okay, first, here's the first step. Paralyze him. Second, put down turrets. Put down turrets. My gosh. Sky. Sky. Boom. Gosh. Oh gosh, where is he? Wait, where is he? You're like, oh, there he is. Boom. Boom. Turret. 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 Whatever this is, fish gun. My gosh! No! I got stunned. I got stunned. No, no, no! Die! 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 Come on! Come on! Let me get out! Oh! Oh! Ultimate clutch! Ultimate clutch! This is the battle of the century! This is the battle of the century, bro. I say, this is... Oh! No! 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 Come on! Come on! Come on! Paralyze! 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 No! Come on! Oh! 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 How am I surviving this? This is literally the battle... The... Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, bro! Oh my gosh! I can put turrets all the way down here, bro. I'm literally... What? I glitched around. Wait! He doesn't have it. He doesn't have it. He doesn't have the tool. He doesn't have the tool. Let's go. I win. I'm the GOAT. I win. That's who I am, bro. I am the GOAT. I am the GOAT. Let's go. Yo. Oh my gosh. Stop that. Just because of that. But what are you doing? Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come on. I need it. No. Oh my gosh. I am not doing that. I am not doing that. Yo, oh my gosh. I'm not doing that. I'm not battling him anymore, bro. What is this? Oh my gosh. Yo.